Hello, this is Don Myers, and on behalf of Remax Center Realty, my associate Courtney Luth and I would like to welcome you to the interior video of the Wamshers property near Poe Valley State Park in southern Center County, Pennsylvania. You are now viewing the living room when you come in the front door from the deck. The sound of the birds that you heard on the way into the living room from outside, those are actually the sounds that were recorded with the video that I had on for you there. This property is really a haven for wildlife and appreciation of wildlife, the birds, the fish. You are very close to 600 plus acres of state forest land, which has lots and lots of nature. This is a view from the kitchen window looking at the back. Almost every window in this property has great views of nature. There's a very nice pantry off the kitchen. There is a bedroom on the first floor. It could be converted into an owner's bedroom if somebody did not want to go upstairs, or if physically they were not able to go upstairs. There is a full bathroom on the first floor. Essentially, everything on the interior of the home is new. The owners took a cabin when they bought the property, and they converted it to one which could truly be a home away from home. This is the recreational room. You're seeing the back deck through the window. Which looks out onto the wooded portion of the lot. And on the second floor, you have a bedroom. With a closet. And this is a half bath on the second floor. This is a peek inside the closet for the second bedroom. And this room is presently used as an office. It also has a bedroom and could be a third bedroom. And this is the closet. And a view of the living room from the upper level, and the pond view from the window. Now we'll take a look at the basement. That's the only crack in the foundation that I've seen. This is a cement floor. It's presently used as a workshop, but it has a multitude of uses that you could do down there. It's really unlimited there. There is a gas heating system plus the pellet stove in the living room. This door leads to the garage. There's an offset storage area for the small tools, power equipment, and so on. And then one car garage. And the nice thing is there's a walkout from the basement right there to ground level. There is an Onan automatic generator that will come on if the power goes off, and it'll supply enough electricity for the entire structure. And this is where the laundry hookups are. So if you're interested in a property with all the comforts of home, if you're interested in a weekend getaway, once again, it's a great property with a great setting for the appreciation of nature. There are a lot of details on our website, which you will see on your screen now. If you have detailed questions, please feel free to call Courtney or myself or drop us an email. Thank you so much for viewing our video.